Every time you peel a potato or trim a carrot, you're holding the start of something wonderful, future soil for your garden. Instead of tossing scraps, you can turn them into rich, dark compost. Composting is a simple way to give back to nature and help your garden thrive. By composting at home, you reduce landfill waste and cut down on harmful greenhouse gases. Compost adds nutrients, helps soil hold water, and attracts helpful creatures like earthworms. Think of compost as the best food for your garden, building a strong foundation for healthy plants. Unlike chemical fertilizers, compost feeds your soil slowly and improves its structure. Making compost is satisfying. You watch waste transform into something valuable. It connects you to the natural cycle of growth and decay. You become a creator of soil, caring for your own patch of the planet. A simple act, with a big impact on your garden and the environment. Good compost needs a mix of greens and browns. Greens are wet, nitrogen-rich scraps, vegetable peelings, fruit cores, coffee grounds, and grass clippings. Browns are dry, carbon-rich, cardboard, dry leaves, twigs, and straw. Alternate layers of greens and browns for the best results. Never add cooked food, meat, fish, dairy, or oily leftovers. They attract pests and smell bad. Skip diseased plants, pet waste, and charcoal ash. Avoid weeds that have gone to seed, or you'll spread them later. If in doubt, leave it out. Stick to the basics, and your compost will thrive. The right mix keeps your pile healthy and productive. You don't need fancy bins, just start a heap on bare earth in a sunny, well-drained spot. Begin with a layer of browns like twigs or cardboard for drainage and airflow. Alternate layers of greens and browns, aiming for a bit more brown than green. Sprinkle in a little garden soil or finished compost to introduce helpful microbes. Keep your pile moist like a wrung-out sponge, not too wet or dry. If it's dry, add water. If it's soaked, cover it until it dries out. Build your heap gradually, adding kitchen and garden waste as you go. Airflow is key. Don't let your pile get compacted. A simple enclosure can help keep things tidy, but isn't essential. Composting is an ongoing, gentle rhythm of adding and layering. Soon you'll have a pile of future garden gold. Once your heap is built, nature takes over. Bacteria and fungi break everything down, generating heat. Turn your pile every few weeks with a fork to mix and aerate, speeding up the process. If you prefer, you can leave it alone. Cold composting just takes longer. Regular turning helps kill weed seeds and keeps the pile healthy. Composting teaches patience. Finished compost can take a few months to a year. You'll know it's ready when it's dark, crumbly, and smells earthy. Harvest from the bottom where the oldest compost is. Spread this black gold on your beds, pots, or when planting. Your plants will thrive and you'll see the magic of your efforts. Just start. Composting is one of the most rewarding things you can do for your garden.